Hey guys, this is Mugdha Pradhan. You're watching me on FitTak. I'm a functional nutritionist and the founder and CEO of iThrive. And today we're going to talk about the key nutrients for winter health. Now, winter is a very strange season. The temperature changes, the sun changes its like time of how long it's going to be available for us. The days become shorter, the nights become longer. We all just want to cozy up and cuddle in our blankets and maybe just Netflix and chill and not do too much. But in seasons like this, we might feel like we're supposed to go into hibernation, but in today's modern day life, the reverse of that happens. We end up actually overindulging and eating a lot of unnecessary processed foods during these seasons. So just want to quickly recap on what are the primary nutritional needs even through winter. Of course, a lot of us feel less thirsty because it's cold, we are not sweating, and we don't realize we might be getting dehydrated. So, number one nutrient that I would recommend for winter is good clean water, especially if you can mineralize it again. So, RO water that's been remineralized. That's something that all of us should be drinking because we need water even through winter. The second thing is, again, like never ever compromise on protein, right? So even through winter, I would recommend that we eat good quality protein, eggs and meat and chicken, so that our protein needs are met and our body has the resilience it needs to fight these odd seasonal flus and viruses that come up. The third nutrient, I would say, so we need vitamin D. What happens is because it's so cold, we are kind of covered up and we don't even expose ourselves to sunlight as much as we should. So vitamin D is something I would recommend that everyone has in winter because vitamin D supports your immune system. It helps you fight any kind of infections. Vitamin D is also really something that's it's known as a sunshine vitamin, right? Because it's shown like deficiency of vitamin D has been shown to cause depression, and a lot of people in winters have something called as a seasonal affective disorder, where they feel lower, they feel like generally their mood kind of gets switched off. That the reported cases of depression are much higher in winter months, and vitamin D is a good way to combat that. So vitamin D is super important. B complex nutrients, those are year round, whether it's summer or winter, you should be taking your B complex vitamins. So take them. Along with that, I would recommend zinc. Again, why? Because during winter we have a lot of seasonal flus and viruses doing the round, and zinc is a nutrient that helps build your immune response, that helps build immune resilience. So zinc. And see, there are many nutrients that I would recommend, but I think the last one for today's conversation is vitamin C. Vitamin C is this really powerful antioxidant, but it doesn't just stop being an antioxidant, it stop at being an antioxidant. It's really great with your immune system, like it supports. I've personally seen where, you know, that initial feel of that itch in the throat or the first sniffle or the first sneeze that happens, and if you do like a good amount of vitamin C, the cold just vanishes, like before it starts it's gone. So vitamin C is a great nutrient to have during winters. I mean, keep it with you. You might not necessarily need to take it every day, but keep it as part of your antiviral treasure chest or your armory against viruses. Magnesium, along with your water that you're consuming, if you just take like half a scoop of magnesium, that's going to be really great also, because in winter we kind of sometimes feel cramped and we feel tight in our bodies. Some people report more aches and pains during cold seasons, and magnesium is really great for your muscles. So magnesium helps with improving your muscle tone, with like just keeping them more fluid and relaxed. Other than that, like just good clean unprocessed food, lots of colorful berries and fruits. If you want to eat carbs and eat clean carbs, like fruits are great sources of carbs, but white rice is good too. And avoid seed oils, use mostly ghee for your cooking. Saturated fat actually is really great for your body. Seed oils will create unnecessary inflammation. We don't want any inflammatory processes going on in our body, whether it's summer or winter. So I think those are my tips for nutrients during winter, and thank you so much for watching and looking forward to seeing you soon.